Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can turn off your real-time protection in Windows 11. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is go to your Windows security, for which you can simply just click on this Windows icon that you can see right here. And in here you can simply just click on the search bar and start typing Windows security. So after you have typed that down here, you can see the Windows security and you can see the option of open. Simply just click on it and this will open your Windows security. And in here, you can see the option of virus and threat protection. You can click on it. And then in here, now scroll down and under the virus and threat protection settings, you can see the option of manage settings. You can click on it. And in here, you can see the option of real-time protection. You can see it is currently turned on. You can simply just click on this toggle button in order to turn it off just like this. And then there will be a pop-up which you can't really see in the screen recording right now. So simply just click on yes in this pop-up. And now you have successfully turned off your real-time protection on your Windows 11. And that is it. That is how you can turn off real-time protection in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.